For me, ako sa ganyan na matrix, I'm under poor, unfortunately.
Siyempre wala tayo isa tayo sa may anak.
Guys, I have to tell you.
Ano?
Charot.
Ay, ang slow. Pero kayo, like, may mga responsibilities ba kayo sa bahay?
To be fair, hindi ako pinag-aambag. Nag-aambag ako kasi, yun nga, breadwinner tayo. So, ako yung bahala sa pagkain, sa ano. And thankfully, yung mga kapatid ko naman, graduate na and nag-contribute na rin. So, medyo luwag-luwag na tayo sa mga bills and stuff.
Right. How about sa'yo?
Ako naman, nag-apartment. So, a big chunk of my disposable income napupunta sa rent. Fortunately din, hindi naman ako nire-require ng mother ko na magbigay. So, I'm fortunate na parang a lot of the disposable income I have are actually what I can dispose.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't say naman na nasa poor, but yun, medyo comfortable na.
Tsaka very different yung culture sa atin dito sa Philippines kasi kagaya ko at age ganito, hindi pa rin ako bumubukod sa parents. And it's fine, like hindi na ako pinapalayas. Kasi kung sa mga medyo western countries ang alam ko, at the age of 18 or basta nag-legal age ka na, parang almost required ka na or may expectations na goodbye, you're on your own. Ganun.
Right. Tapos parang may stigma pa, may judgment with adults who are actually still living with their parents.
Correct.
Why do we think na may factor yung may partner or walang partner in terms of determining kung asan ka dyan?
Nga no, may ganun pala. Ang daming factors.
It depends on like, doon na nababasa yung needs natin na kailangan talaga natin budgetan. So, kung may partner ka, kung kailangan mo mag-ambag, kailangan mo tumulong sa pamilya. Kasi I think there are, like, sa net, like, there are a lot of stories sa parang hindi sila makausad-usad, makaluwag-luwag kasi nga yung sahod nila pupunta sa magulang, napupunta sa pagpapaaral ng kapatid, paminsan abot pa yun ng cousins. That kind. Especially sa mga OFWs, di ba? May mga ganoon na stories. Oo nga.
Yung partner, I feel like, kasi pag may partner, may katulong ka rin sa expenses, di ba?
Magkahati ka. Right. What are your thoughts on that, by the way? Like, being required mag-ambag sa family or yung money mo?
On one hand, I think it's a reflection of our very familial
society
sa Philippines na we place so much importance on our family na even if naka-graduate na tayo yung magpapatuloy nung, for example, studies ng mga kapatid natin. But I think it has come to a point na medyo nagiging toxic na din.
Right.
Kasi lalo na for those na, for example, ikaw, gusto mo na magpamilya, but you can't kasi may responsibilities ka pa with your like younger siblings. Diba? So parang napapasa sa'yo yung burden of making sure na they graduate.
Right.
Diba? So parang I think naging toxic na siya to that level.
Ang maganda sa amin, hindi ako like required. Well, at least nung nag-work pa yung dad ko, hindi ako required na mag-ambag. So yun, nung nag-retire nga yung dad ko, naging ako na lang mostly. Parang on my own
Bailea Salong.
Volition. On my own volition. Happy naman ako na naging provider sa bahay.
And that's very commendable.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi hindi rin ako naghuhugas ng pinggan.
Ulirang anak 2025.
Na hindi naghuhugas ng pinggan.
Happy naman na ikaw yung nagpa-provide. At saka mas may mas may say ka sa, alam mo nung bata ako, hindi ko makain yung gatas. Kumakain ba kayo ng gatas?
Powder?
Powder, yes.
Gatas, Milo, sugar.
Diba? Kinakain mo, hinahalo-halo mo. Tapos, di ba? Mahilig kang sumubo pa pala. Ng raw.
Raw powdered milk.
Raw powders. Noon, hindi ko yun magawa. Ngayon, ako na bumibili. So, kahit atalaklakin ko yung buong...
Until now, you still do that?
Yes, bakit? Ba't ako yun? Kakagawa ko lang kagabi kasi nag-serious ako. Kinain ko muna yung gatas. Pero...
Wait, kinain mo yung...
Huh? So, rin nag-gatas sa serious?
Meron pa naman. I provide naman more than enough. So, may pangkain ng...
Tapos, kung ganyan kain mo, hindi ka tumataba. I think we need to talk about that.
Yeah.
I think that's for our next episode. Because that's kind of unfair.
Yeah.
Kayo ba guys, do you have like an emergency fund? Or, grabe, pang mayaman lang ba ang emergency fund? Or pang privilege?
Ano muna ang emergency fund?
Ano muna?
Yeah.
Define emergency.
An
As a
emergency
thought
fund
leader.
is a fund, literally,
For
that's reserved for
Pag may lindon, ganyan.
emergencies.
Charot.
When those unexpected times come, we must have disposable income na we can use without touching or, yung pang everyday nating
Right.
budget. The concept of an emergency fund is for security purposes. Kasi we have heard of stories na parang may mga malaking ipon but parang a Filipino person is like one hospitalization away from poverty
From
or
bankruptcy.
from bankruptcy. I think we can avoid that by having an emergency fund, a fund that we specifically set aside for unexpected, but should not be naman for biglang naglabas na concert yung favorite artist mo na parang, this is unexpected. So parang,
It's an emergency.
It's an emergency.
Lady Gaga's coming to Japan.
that's an emergency.
Emergency.
Emergency,
Yes.
exactly.
Oo.
So for me, it's a must. And actually, experts would
9 out of 10 doctors.
would recommend na para the ideal emergency fund is around 5 to 6 times your monthly salary. So parang that
Gross or net?
hindi ko alam.
Actually, ako rin. Pero yeah, so 5 or 6 months. Yeah, I also have an emergency fund. Medyo I'm still rebuilding my emergency fund as of now. Kaka-down payment ko lang dito. So, medyo kailangan pa natin pataasin yon. I feel like yung question mo kanina, is it like pang mayaman lang? I would say no, it's not. Especially for emergency fund, hindi naman kailangan agad-agad mo siyang mabuo. As long as you're like, again, step by the step tayo.
Correct.
Na ano. Especially for example, if like, minimum wage earner or like, mababa pa yung sahod mo. Even if it's just, kung ano man kaya mong itabi. Whether that's like, 50, 100 pesos, like 500, depending on like, what you can, as long as may natabi ka to build that. That's a good start already. So it's not necessarily pang mayaman lang.
Personally, wala akong emergency fund kasi
vibes yan.
di ba nga, vibes lang. So I feel like after nitong episode na to, I will start building on my emergency fund. Wow, may commitment, call to action. Since gumagraduate na yung mga kapatid ko and hindi na ako yung sole breadwinner sa bahay. I feel like I can build on my emergency fund na rin naman. Umasa lang ako sa yung binanggit mo na sa insurance plus investment thing. Yun lang yung parang hahawakan ko. But it is good to have an emergency fund pagka kaya mo namang i-build.
I feel like a good tip for emergency fund savings ganun. Ihiwalay mo siya na bank account.
True.
Kasi yun din yung ginagawa ko kasi hinihiwalay ko siya. Like, what constitutes an emergency? Given na yung, let's say, calamity, hospitalization. Pero question, what if na-hospitalize like yung cousin mo, isang relative mo?
Baka dapat immediate family.
Thoughts on that?
ako.
Kinabahan. Like, gets nyo ba?
Yeah, oo. Pero actually, tough question.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, very close yung family relations natin eh. So parang, for me, oh my God, sorry sa mga cousins ko. Hindi.
Ako rin.
I was waiting for you.
Simulan mo yun.
Tsaka may mga pera naman kayo.
May boundaries, no?
Yeah.
Pagka gano'n. Kasi
Parang yung emergency fund, para sa'yo yun. So
parang sa utang, di ba? Pag may nangungutang, nagpapautang ba kayo?
That's for another episode.
Episode.
Ibang episode na pala yun.
Dahil may mga nasira ng friendships. Dahil sa
Actually, oo. Totoo yan.
Just to answer the question, no? I don't think it's part of the emergency fund. Pero magbibigay ako. Siguro part of my disposable income.
Right, same.
Yeah.
Kung anong malabas ko doon sa everyday fund ko, not my emergency fund. Ikaw?
Ay, ako ba uli?
Well, wala ka namang emergency fund.
Oo nga, hindi ako makarelate.
Budget or bahala na?
Ay, alam mo na sagot ko sa lahat.
Vibes.
But now that you've after this talk that discussion that we've had.
Thank you, Chino.
Wow,
for
Chino
the
kasi
expert
talaga
advice.
as our thought leader nga, di ba?
Thought leader.
Your advice.
Ito, concert tickets. Kayo
Depende kung Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga sa Japan,
Bahala. Hindi, joke lang. Budget.
Ikaw?
Ay, alam mo na sagot ko dyan. Kabibili ko lang eh.
Bahala na.
Bahala na.
Okay. Traveling. budget ako dyan.
Budget.
Dapat talaga budget.
Budget talaga.
Oo.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah.
Kasi malayo yan eh. Alam mo yun, may time ka mag-plan.
Yeah.
So, may time ka mag-budget. Hindi siya parang, oy, in-announce bigla, bukas na yung setting. Wala mong ganun, di ba? Kahit nga yung si Bupak may, may pa-teaser pa pag magsi-seat sale. So, may
Speaking of which, meron yun.
meron hello si Bupak.
O baka naman.
Baka naman.
Oo. Pwede siyang i-budget.
Sale sa Uniqlo.
Lagi namang sale sa Uniqlo.
Kapag anniversary sale nila.
May mas malalaking sale ha.
By the way, hi Uniqlo, baka naman.
Pagka siguro, yung papalampas, kasi may mga bigger sales than usual. Hindi yung parang basta sale. At saka seasonal ang mga damit. So alam mo dapat kung kailan ang end of season kasi sale na.
So, budget.
Budget. Yeah.
Budget na ako. Skincare.
I feel like you can budget skincare kasi alam mo kung kailan niya mauubos eh. Hindi naman bigla na sumabog sa mukha mo yung
Yung?
yung facial wash.
Okay.
Yung moisturizer.
Yung moisturizer bigla na lang naubos sa mukha mo. Kinain. Charot.
11-11, 12-12, 5-5, 6-6.
Pagandaan mo. Ngayon, di ba, like, mas naging habit ko, like, pag pupunta ako sa mall, like, for example, yung extension cord na binili natin sa mall, mas mura siya sa, sa Shopee or sa Lazada, di ba?
True.
So, kung makaka-save ka naman, pagandaan mo. Usually naman, alam mo, di ba, kung kailan yung 1-1 or 2-2 or 3-3. Kasi nga, date number.
Kailan ba yung 1-1?
Oo nga, oh my
Tandaan mo.
Speaking of, mabilis ba kayo mabudol sa ganyan? If nakita nyo naka-sale siya, even though hindi naman necessary sa life.
Ano siya, for me, mapa-vibes mo eh. Dito pasok yung vibes. Like, alam mo, lagay mo lang siya sa card mo. Makikita mo yung fluctuation ng price. So, pagka, kagating mo na bigla pagka, pag nagmura.
Lakas maka-crypto, no?
Fluctuation. Pero actually, minsan madaya rin sila. Kasi biglang on sale, tapos may nakaganon yung prices, may bagong price. Pero after the sale, parang same pa rin naman yung price. So,
That's
Minsan mas mura pa. Pagka
Exactly.
Sa marketing tawag dyan, price jacking. Inaano mo.
Ginajack
mo yung price.
Actually, yung mga ganyan, yung mga double-digit sale, it actually helps with budgeting. Kasi the expenses that you would normally, hindi naman talaga urgent, parang you could just wait for that
Right.
double-digit sale para makabawas sa cost. So parang okay, i-add to cart mo lang, pero kung 1-1 na 2-2, dun mo na siya kasi dun may discount.
Ay, tsaka
sabay out of stock
pinag-usapan namin ni na Jom kanina. Yung kunyari mga utilities, di ba hindi mo naman pwedeng takasan yan. Unless gusto mo mawala ng tubig o kuryente, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin yung mga Shopee at Lazada. Like for example, meron yung mga installment.
Is this SPay later?
Yes, yung SPay later. But use it responsibly kasi para siyang credit card. Although sa credit card kasi, di ba, you can pay naman yung bills mo, for example, Meralco. Pero hindi siya installment. So, kunyari, ang laki ng kuryente mo kasi aircon ka the entire month kasi ang init ganyan, di ba? Kunyari 10K. Tapos, ipasok mo siya sa...
Pareho tayo nag-react sa 10K.
8K, ganyan.
Mas stressful pa rin sa akin.
So, yun. Kunyari gano'n.
Kasi bahay naman sila.
Oo, kasi bahay.
family.
Totoo.
Okay.
Ipasok mo sa Shopee Pay Later para gumaan yung pag-pay mo. Of course, alalahanin mo yung due date mo and pay responsibly. So at least, diba, yung mga ganong, nakaka-help siya
Right.
lessen the expenses on a monthly basis. Lalo kung marami kang peso may na-manage, diba?
Coming off from you said na parang using SPay later for utilities, actually maximize your credit cards. Kasi maraming promos yung credit cards na
Right.
you can actually help you save. For example, may kayo, celebration sa family, like my birthday, mas marami kayo, take advantage yung mga 50% off sa mga
Right.
restaurants. Correct.
Or like sa Vikings, may +1 kineso.
Yeah,
Ganyan.
So, take advantage ng mga promos sa credit cards.
Dapat aware rin tayo sa mga promo.
But responsibly. Kasi, baka sometimes, because of those promos, baka yung kahit mga hindi natin kailangan.
It still adds up eh.
Walang
Yeah,
celebration. Ganyan. Kumain lang.
Correct.
Kasi deserve ko to mga ganun na
Hindi yan in moderation.
in excess.
In excess.
Ano entry mo, Mark?
Saan?
Ano in excess?
In moderation.
In excess deo.
Carry ko yun. Gusto ko yun. May point ka doon.
Minsan ba na-compare niyo yung sarili niyo to others? Like in terms of how they travel or shop or dine? Kasi syempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng finances and state sa buhay.
Noong early 20s ko, na-sense ko talaga siya.
So that was like 20 years ago.
I think 30. Yung nakikita ko sa FB, yung batchmates ko na Southeast Asia trip na, nag-Bali na, nag-Vietnam na. Doon naramdaman ko siya, parang shit, bakit afford na nila yun? Tapos ako, hanggang Boracay pa lang yung well, privilege pa rin niya to say na parang hanggang Boracay pa lang. Pero like gets sila nakapag out of the country na. Ako, not yet. Well, yun, bumabawi naman ako lately with regard to that. Pero yeah, it did feel like not nice. Nainggit ako. But not like wishing them ill. More of like sa akin, parang bakit hindi ko pa siya nagagawa.
Ako honestly, yes. Especially nung time na nag-working student ako.
Right.
Imbes na yung money ko is I spend on my, yung mga wants ko, ganun. Napupunta siya sa law school. So parang, ayun, nakakaingit din seeing my friends na, yung mga nagtuloy-tuloy lang ng work nila na walang law school, na, gumagasa sila on like concerts, on travel. Tapos ako, I can't. But at the end of the day, parang, I go back to realizing kung ano lang talaga yung like financial capacity ko that time. And of course, remembering my priorities.
Right.
Kasi yun nga, siguro I will harken back to what I said earlier about uniqueness. Hindi siya keme-keme lang na charisma, uniqueness, or mentality. Each of us have our own priorities, have our own responsibilities, and our own income levels. One budget would not fit. Walang
one size fits all.
One size fits all na budget. Diba?
Hindi siya free size.
Hindi siya free size. So, sorry Patrick Star.
Oo nga pala yung niya, makeup line niya. Right.
To be honest, hindi naman siya inggit, pero siguro more like inspire. Well, not to brag.
Not to brag,
but to inspire. Right.
Parang natutuwa naman ako for them. Tapos, I think nabanggit ko kay John kasi to before. Isa sa mga life learnings ko talaga, way back nung nag-internship pa ako, sabi nung big boss namin, don't compare yourself to others or else you'll just be miserable. So yun talaga tumatak siya sa akin even after so many years. Naalala ko pa rin siya. I feel like iba-iba lang talaga tayo ng timeline kung nasan tayo in our lives. Like for example, kung ano yung na-achieve niya in his or her 40s, baka ma-achieve ko in my 50s or something. Yan naman yun. Iba-iba ng, iba-iba priorities, iba-iba ng wants, needs, and stats in life. So, yeah, hindi ako masyadong nagko-compare talaga. More on like, parang gusto ko rin yan. Like, for example, Iceland, ganyan. Gusto ko mag-Iceland.
Oo. Sabi nga ng Beanie, buhay ay...
Di karera. Correct. Dahan-dahan lang.
Oo. Share ko lang yung nangyari, yung ginawa namin last week. Me and Jom, ako na lang muna, I don't want to speak for Jom, but like, pumasok kami ng Alo. And then,
ano yung Alo?
Wala naman, yung punta kami. Alo is
yung
like,
bagong open na store na
sa Greenbelt? Was that in Greenbelt?
sports outfits.
Specifically yoga, I believe. Yung keme niya. Tapos like yung shorts was like, how much was it? 4K? And then 5K. And then I'm like, who buys these stuff? And then I realized, oh my God, I'm not a target market. Kasi ako personally, it's not that hindi ko siya afford. More like hindi ko magawa sa sarili ko kasi sobrang paghihinayangan ko siya.
Gets.
And I know that there are people who exist na hindi nila paghihinayangan yun.
And they're the target market.
And they're the target market.
And medyo niche din yung hobby.
Oo. And then after that, hindi pa ako nakontento sa pag malungkot sa sarili ko. Pumasok pa kami ng healthy options. Napansin niyo ba yung price point ng healthy options? Like, OMG.
Medyo, diba?
And then naisip ko, alam mo yung parang, there are people who do their like, weekly grocery shopping. Grocery? Pero diba, there are people who like grocery shop
Chris Aquino
in healthy options. And like, parang nako-compare ko na lang sa sarili, parang, shit, hindi ko kaya to. Not even like rolled oats, mga quinoa, gano'n. Parang,
Not to be fair, meron din naman sa mga regular grocery.
Regular grocery, meron din. Pero like, kasi doon kasi healthy options, diba? Parang organic, like free-range oats. Free-range oats! Doon, parang...
Stress-free environment yung oats.
Oo.
Sana all.
Yes. Hindi siya nadaanan ng hanging habagat. Pero parang shot na compare ko lang din na hindi ako target market nito. Pero okay lang, that's okay kasi nga buhay ID karera. When do you ikaw, Chino, when do you think is best to like spend on a loop?
Siguro on occasions na like worth celebrating talaga. For example, may wins ka, not necessarily na big wins, but parang just for surviving on a like really hard day. Diba? Parang sometimes okay naman mag-splurge on yourself. But syempre, at the end of the day, yung kaya mo lang. Hindi na. Yung kaya mo lang. Kasi what if yung idea mo of splurging was bumili ka ng like Dyson na hindi mo naman nasa spending range mo, diba? You can splurge but be responsible. Splurge responsibly.
Right.
Splurge responsibly.
Kapag pasok doon sa luho budget ko, go.
Ako, pag na-vibe ko na
So vibes.
Okay. Hindi, yun pa lang for now. Pero we'll be better at our finances. Sure. Ano yung mga luho nyo? Like, on a personal basis, ano yung feeling yung luho na regular na pinagkakagastusan nyo?
For me, right now, luho is, gusto ko kasi yung may fantasy kasi ako na, binigyan kasi ako ng mom ko kasi nga, kaka-move in ko lang here, ng bamboo bed sheets. Guys, ang sarap niyan tulugan, can I just say? Diba?
Patry nga niyan.
Sige, pumunta na kayo sa mall, like sa Rustans or like sa SM Department, hanap kayo ng bamboo sheets, hawakan nyo, bakla. Malamig siya.
Feeling panda ka, ganyan.
Parang ha?
Kasi bamboo.
Or napakanta ka ba ng Tatsulok? Feeling bamboo.
Feeling bamboo. Sorry, literal.
Umigot ba yung chair? So, yun yung currently like, luho na inaabangan ko talaga. Kasi yung brand na gusto ko, sobrang rare niya mag-sale. So, inaantay ko lang talaga yung moment na mag-sale sila. Papatusin ko. Yun yung right now, like, inaabangan ko talaga na luho. Ano ba bang natin? Door lock.
Door lock. Luho ba yun?
Well, may regular lock naman.
Okay. Kasi may lock ka.
Oo.
At may...
So, balik tayo sa needs and wants.
Yeah. So, want lang talaga naman siya.
Want niya.
Nag-aantay lang din ng
sale. Correct.
Siguro for me, biggest splurge ko was
Lady
yung
Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Nag-Lady Gaga Singapore ka na.
Yes,
Magli-Lady Gaga Japan ka pa. Are
Hindi
you?
pa, baka Korea.
Alam yan.
Sa January.
January na.
Probably. Kasi Japan yung 21. Anyway, kasi diba, I've been a fan for like 16 years.
Wow.
Oo. The store never...
Nang-away ka rin ng Katy Cats? Charot.
May stan account pala, Hindi, kasi nag-flop naman si Katy. But also...
Which is good. Kasi hindi ako nahirapan bumili ng tickets.
Actually, I was going to mention that. Na parang,
Okay lang.
I asked you, diba, lottery ba? I was like, no. So, in my head,
Then, nag-lottery, tapos may general sale. Okay.
So for me, worth it siya kasi ang tagal ko siyang hinintay. 16 years. So parang give niya na sa akin.
Hindi ka nakapunta nung may protests and all.
Ay,
Just for another-
eto ka na.
Yung kwento ko ba? Hindi, isa-side kwento ko later. Pero yun, hindi ako nakapunta noong 2012. So sabi ko talaga, the next time na pumunta siya, anywhere near Philippines, I'll go talaga.
Alam mo, gusto ko rin pumunta sa SG, kaso as in tumitingin ako sa cloak. Kaso yun nga, inaabangan ko yung lifetime. So, I'm sorry, Madam Gaga. Si Katie muna. Malay mo, sa January, makapunta pa rin ako.
True.
Kaso, oh my God, yun na naman tayo.
So, ongoing na yung sale today.
Oo nga, today. Malay mo, matira pa. Ako naman ang luho ko talaga ay clothes talaga. Kasi yun yung...
Kita naman.
Pakita mo.
Oo nga eh. So, actually, ayan, side story rin. Lahat to to be fair na-realize ko lahat to, thrifted. So, I think that's one way to
Save on.
save on your luho. Like ito, this one I got from an IG store. This one's from an Anonas. Adidas to tapos may tag pa siya when I got it. Tapos ito, it's a brand called Issue. Streetwear siya. Mahal, yeah. Hong Kong brand, oo. Yan, sa Anonas din. So, these are all thrifted.
Fairness, thrifting is a talent Kasi ang hirap
It's a
maghanap
skill
ng-
talaga
it's
na
a skill.
parang-
Oo.
More on clothes, pero I try to not splurge too much. Especially yung mga, kaya ko naman like daily wear, ganyan. Thrifted, why not? Basta marunong ka lang tumingin.
Anong takeaway natin, guys? Anong budget rule ang gusto nyong i-apply this month? Or at least ano yung habit na
Ako ipapasend ko kay Carl yung money manager. Yan. Kasi tatry kong i-track and titingnan ko kung saan lumalabas yung mga pera. kaperahan.
Actually, interesting nga. Kasi sa app, meron doon parang statistics kung ilang percent yung sa gastos mo.
Tsaka kasi parang mapapaisip ka rin. Actually, napapaisip din ako, like, saan nga napunta yung pera? Kasi hindi ko nga tinatrack, vibe lang ganyan. So, makita mo lang, ako, okay, ubos na. So, yun yung commitment ko, money management.
May commitment.
Oo.
Ikaw ba? Anong
As
takeaway?
for me, it's more of, like yung nakwento ko kanina, na wag masyadong i-compare ang sarili sa iba. Like the healthy options story and the aloe story. May sarili-sarili tayong placement where we are in our life journey, I guess. Financial journey. Wag masyadong kabahan. Wag masyadong maging apura kung nasaan ka ngayon. Ikaw, Chino, ano ang last message mo? Like, kung ano man yung kailangan ma-take away ng ating 10,000 listeners.
10,000 listeners. Siguro kasi I didn't really give this much thought before. Pero ngayon mas na-highlight sa akin yung importance of being really financially responsible. Lalo na for millennials. Kasi 'di ba parang we're at a point na medyo andun na tayo sa adult stage ngayon, 'di ba?
Papuntang middle age.
Middle ages. And especially for the LGBT, 'di ba? Parang dami nating struggles. So bading ka na nga, hindi ka pa marunong mag-save. Pick a struggle. Na joke lang. Sana we all learn to be financially responsible. So happy budgeting, especially those who are getting into it pa lang. Go.
All right.
So encouragement.
So if you guys want to see Chino again for another episode, mag-comment lang kayo. Tapos kung ano namang topic ang gusto ninyong matutunan about finance. For
Huwag
example,
naman finance.
Like investing.
Baka naman personality.
May update.
If you guys want to hear Chino talk about Lady Gaga.
Oh my God, I can
feel
do
two episodes.
Exactly. And it's just me talking. Yeah.
Kasi din daw siya ng abracadabra.
Yes! Judas for this age.
Tapos tuturuan pa tayo mag-DIY Lady Gaga outfit.
Yeah.
Oy, love natin yan.
Do we?
Huh?
Ba? Oh my God. Sis! Sige, cut.
Parang siya ngayon.
Ano yun? Bakit? Ay, talaga? Oh my gosh, hindi ako chronically online. Hindi ko alam yung mga ganyan.
Right after niya.
Yeah, nung moment niya with Lady Gaga. Oh my God.
Kwento niyo mamaya kasi hindi ako aware.
Sige. Alright guys, so comment down below your kwentos, your money problems, along with your 16-digit credit card number and expiration date.
And CVV.
And CVV.
Walang utang ha.
Pwede rin
Wala
naman.
kami ipapautang.
Mag-suggest kayo ng topic suggestions down below, or you can also email us at infairnesshapodcast@gmail.com.
And if you haven't, follow us on our socials, In Fairness Ha, on all platforms. So you can listen or watch us on Spotify and YouTube. And we try to publish an episode every Wednesday, 3 p.m. on Spotify and 6 p.m. on YouTube.
Once again, my name is Carl. You can find me at Carl Sinogen in most social media platforms.
I am Mark at Rico Bonbon on Instagram.
And I'm at Marshawn Chris on all social media platforms.
Love it.
Branding.
And once again, this is
In Fairness Ha.